So we want to know if lines are parallel or perpendicular. So let's look at this problem. I took this right from the homework. So line L is negative 7x plus 5y equals negative 30, and line Q is 30x minus 15y equals 90. So what I want to know is if the lines have the same x-intercept, if they have the same y-intercept, if they're parallel or perpendicular. Now y equals mx plus b does not help me with the x-intercept, but it will help me to identify if they have the same y-intercept, parallel or perpendicular. So if I can rule out the bottom three, I could pick the top one, I guess. So I'm going to take the first equation. I'm going to get both lines equations in slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So I take the first equation, negative 7x plus 5y equals negative 30. And I would want to add 7x to both sides of the equation. Okay, so I get 5y equals 7x minus 30, and then I would end up dividing all of the terms by 5. Okay, so I'm going to end up with y equals 7/5 x minus 6. So my slope is 7/5, and my y-intercept is negative 6. And to take the second equation, I want to do the same thing. I need to minus the 30x from both sides. Negative 15y equals negative 30x plus 90, and I need to divide all the terms by negative 15. So I get x equals 2x minus 6. Now, I can clearly see that the slopes are not the same, so they're not parallel. I have 7/5 and 2, and they're not the reciprocal of each other, so they're not perpendicular. But you should notice that they do have the same y-intercept, and that would be the right answer. Okay, so in this example, I have line L is 10x plus 5y equals negative 50, and again, I'm going to put in, it's just standard. If you're looking at slope or parallel and perpendicular, you're looking at slope. So I'm going to go ahead and minus 10x from both sides. And I'm going to get 5y equals negative 10x minus 50. And I want to divide all the terms by 5. So I get y is equal to negative 2x minus 10. Okay, now that I have that, I need to do y equals mx plus b for the other equation also. I'm going to add 10x to both sides. Go ahead and divide by 2, 20. And I get y equals 1/2 x minus 3. So clearly the y-intercepts in this case are not the same. I have negative 10 and negative 3, so I'm going to look at the slopes. So I have a slope of negative 2 and a slope of positive 1/2. So that's the first thing is you notice one's negative, one's positive slope. And then they are the reciprocal of each other. So I would take 2 and flip it over, I get 1/2. So actually, these lines are perpendicular.